Fix can't connect personal Wi-Fi hotspot on your iPhone. If any other user cannot connect your Wi-Fi, then here are the fixes. Here are the some issue you have to resolve. Tap on settings, go to personal hotspot, and here make sure that allow others to join button is enabled, and make sure that your Wi-Fi password is not lengthy or not a peculiar. So make sure that you have password having a special character you must, but some easy, keep easy password. A small or capital letter understood to other users, and make sure that password is correctly used. Also enable maximize compatibility mode on your iPhone. Internet performance may be reduced for devices connected to your hotspot when turned on.